Hey guys, Colin here, and wanted to just talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Right, we want to do an analysis on a few different coins and just give an update in terms of where we are. People are asking the question when it comes to Bitcoin. Is Elon Musk or did Elon Musk manipulate the price of Bitcoin? And to be quite honest, if you look at the charts, you will find that news always coincides with the charts, and the charts don't react to the news. It's actually contrary. That's why it's important to know good technical analysis, and I'm going to show you why. Now, let's take a look at this Bitcoin chart here. And for quite some time, here's a few things we got to look at. We broke below this line of support, right, from our last breakout point, okay? And when we broke down from just around 60,000, we came down, we formed a bottom. We formed the bottom here around 44,000. And then since then, we were going upwards, right? Kind of forming either what you would call an ascending triangle or some would call it a rising wedge. And then we ended up breaking down after going up to 64,500, which also was perfectly in alignment with the 0.3618 on the Fibonacci, right? This is from the previous all-time high from the last bull run down to our lowest point. This fib takes us all the way up past our last all-time high when we broke through, and then we went all the way up to the 3618. Okay, so now we broke down through this support line, and of course we came back up, we hit resistance, which was confirmation that we were going further down. So we came back down, but again we stayed above this previous rejection zone of between 44,000 and 47,000. We bounced right off of the 47,000 level, which again was on the 2.618. Okay, we're on the 2.618 here. We made a move back up again, only to be rejected again by this area. And I mean, this is this line right here, right guys? This line, we kind of drew it like this, has been, of course, major resistance. We have not closed above, I guess you could say, call it 60, just to be safe. We have not closed above, 60,400. We have not closed above that area. And we came down, came right back up again to this area, and we got rejected twice, which again sent us screaming down to get some rest, right? When price action is happening in the charts, think about it this way. It comes up, we're trying to break through. If we don't break through on a couple of tries, we get tired and we ended up coming back down. It's like we retreat to get some rest, but we're coming back to fight again, right? Live to fight another day. And that's what's happening here. But in addition to that, the 21-week moving average, this was critical during the last bull run, as you can see down here. When we started off our bull run, we came and touched the 21-week moving average many times, and every time we touched it, right, I mean, let's see, from 3,100 we came down to touch the 21-week moving average at 2,000. So that was like a 50% dip, right? We moved up again to about 4,900. We came down again to the 21-week moving average, which was 3265. So again, that was, I guess close to a 40%, 30 something percent. Yeah, close to a 40% dip over there. Okay. All right, guys. So we see that we had multiple touch points on that 21-week moving average before we really started to go parabolic. And this is the first time, we've been saying it from the time Bitcoin crossed As a matter of fact, from here, from $10,000, right? You notice here we were touching the 20. We came and we touched the 21-week moving average once. And then we took off from $10,800. And from then we've been saying, hey, Bitcoin needs to come back down and touch the 21-week moving average. We needed to touch the 21-week moving average. And it has not done that. I mean, since October last year. So we have been massively due a correction like this. And to be honest, it's healthy. It's healthy, all right? We've been due a correction like this. So there's no surprise to what's actually happening right now. Now, a good show of strength is by us staying in this box, which also coincides with the 21-week moving average. If we break below and then we come back up and close beneath the 21-week moving average, that will not be a good sign in the immediate short term. Then we might see a push down to finish going down to like 40,000 or something. All right, 40 to 42,000. However, before we even get there, we want to see Bitcoin stay within this box of the 2618, which is that 46 to $48,000 level. Right, this is the weekly candle now, right? So we still have 1 day and 12 hours remaining in this candle. We still have 1 day and 12 hours remaining in this candle. So, but once again, guys, regardless of the news for Elon Musk, everybody who's been given, just about everybody who's been given technical analysis has been saying, we need to come down and make contact again with the 21-week moving average, and this is exactly what happened. So I wouldn't need to stay tuned to the news to hear about Elon Musk for something like this, because in the charts we clearly see a level of resistance here. And you know what? The good news about it is when we finally break above this $60,000 level, this is going to be like the new floor, guys. I think that when we come back down in the bear market, when we break above this and Bitcoin finishes its real parabolic run, more than likely, I think $60,000 will probably be the new floor. All right. Worst case scenario, 20,000 will be the new floor. That's the worst case scenario. But with the amount of consolidation that we've had in this area now, since February, we're in May. I mean, that's 3 months of sideways action in this zone, right? In this area. So, again, what we're looking for is we want to see Bitcoin hold above this 2.618 and above the 21-week moving average, which would be a very good sign, in terms of further upside for now. If we break below this and we come up and we close and get rejected beneath the 21-week moving average, that will not be a very good sign. We may see another push further down. However, let's not go there yet. Let's be patient. And let's look at just what's happening on this side with Bitcoin. Okay, guys? So this was all about Bitcoin. I'm going to do a few other analyses on a few other coins coming right up. So stay tuned.